Cure BDM guys, Safety Liner C2 here, and we have got a first look of a 1993 Bluebird B700 by Jason. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at it. So the very first thing that you'll notice around back is that we actually have one of these flashy light thingies on the back door, which is super cool. The back lights look fairly accurate. Warning lights may be a little bit big, but you know, otherwise the back looks pretty good so far. There are two versions, and we'll spawn this other one here in a minute, but this one has a streamer and busboy cross views, as you can see up there. Not sure what that texture is right there on the side, but Gwinnett County Schools 9333. Yeah, okay. Not too bad. Now, mind you, this is not 100% finished, but this is the closest to finished that it has gotten, and it is close to being finished. So there are some minor details, such as the little Ford emblem right there, or rather a B700 emblem. Front looks really well. Let's see. Okay, not bad, not bad. Diesel. He wanted to add that there, is what he told me. Let's see, do we have our GCPS certified? No GCPS certified. Not until it's done, at least. We have the busboy cross views, as you can see. And we also have it crossing gate. One stop arm. The stop arm isn't bad. Okay. Let's check on the top of the bus. Antenna, two roof hatches, and a strobe light. So, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look inside of the bus. Okay, not bad. This area right here was generally like a really, really light gray, but that's, you know, that's all stuff that can be changed. Missing a door handle, but that's one of the things that he mentioned is not there. Parking brake. The dash looks really well done. Okay, I can see a separate roof texture. Maybe add some texturing on the sides down here. Otherwise, not too bad. Let's see. Basic ROR seats. Okay. So it's missing a few things, but otherwise, you know, this looks fairly well done. You know, minor details at this point is what I'm seeing. Stuff that I, you know, I'm not like, you know, gonna go crazy over, but stuff that would be nice to have. So let's start it up. So as you can probably tell, all of these sounds are from his Carpenter Ford that he's made. So let's go ahead, let's take a look. Yes, I forgot about that. The fact that Jason was able to get a jackknife door in there is awesome. Okay, so he's obviously going for air stuff on here. That's what it looks like, at least. I like that. Alright, so it looks like there's a lot of really good stuff in here so far. So one of the things that we can see is that the parking brake slightly moves up just a little bit whenever the parking brake is released and set. But whatever. So let's go ahead, let's drive it. I want to see how this thing handles. Because I've been kind of giving him feedback for I don't even know how long at this point, and this is my first time actually getting the beta for it, so kind of excited. Oops. Whoa. Okay, okay. So one of the things that I've told him in the past is that his buses are a little bit slow to accelerate, but he actually gave me a really good reason as to why that is, and that's just because that's how the older buses were. So, can't really dock him on that, you know? So, as always, let's see the turning radius. Line up on one line, and we will do a right turn first. Okay. Not the best, also not the worst I've ever seen, but I'm just gonna hope that that's the same philosophy. Otherwise, it seems that this bus is a little bit slippery is the term that I'm gonna use. Otherwise, it's not too bad driving. And it just looks like really nice. I love looking at it. This bus just looks like it's meant to be in game. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at that other version, which is just a little bit different. It has different mirrors, and I think it has no streamer, if I'm not mistaken. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so as you can see, mirrors are different, and no streamer. Yeah, no streamer. 9317, and that's 9333, so let's just drive this for the heck of it, too. So this thing, they handle really well, and do we have a working strobe light? Yes, we do. Let's check and see if there are any other features about this bus that we might need to know about. F7 and F8, what do those do? F7, F8, okay, back emergency door. Okay, cool. Now I wonder, can I get that to work? Yep. Okay, so legit. These buses are the hype that they've lived up to, for me at least. Yeah, like I said, these things are not completely done. So if you have... Oh, and I think that this works. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember if he said that they did or not. But I think when the bus is off, you can open the doors. No, okay. Anyways, yeah, that is pretty much it. Like I said, these buses are not completely done. There's still things here and there that need to be worked on. But yeah, if you have any feedback for Jason, go ahead, leave it down below. I'm sure he'll be looking through the comments, and I'll be able to relay any feedback that you have to him if he's not watching. Anyways, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed at Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it down and care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or this bus is never going to be finished. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.